guys, it's your pal Awesome Tiger, and today we're making a quick and simple naan pizza. It's great, but it's a little weird because naan is originally Indian and pizza is originally Italian. So Italian and Indian food. It's great. So all you need is a few mini naans or big naans, however big you want your pizza to be, and some Colby Jack cheese. Actually, I prefer Colby Jack, but you can get any type of cheese. It just has to be like shredded like this. And you can shred it yourself if you want. It's a lot fresher. And some marinara sauce, obviously. And for the toppings, you can choose a lot. I chose some paneer and some mushrooms that are cut into these mini pieces, so I can sprinkle them on top, like salt and pepper that hit. And also for materials, you'll need 2 pans. Actually, you can only use one, but I'm using 2. One is for to cook the naan, and I like to put butter on it to make it good and nice and tasty. And then you'll need another pan for cooking the mushroom and the paneer. Actually, you don't need to do it if you're not going to use mushroom or paneer, but I'm using it, so I'll show it in the video in case you're going to use it too. And also, oh right, I forgot to mention, you need garlic, a few cloves of garlic. However, I took one big one and one super tiny one, and also a garlic masher, so then it can go. And the garlic is just for some taste. It's optional, but I'm using it. I like taste. And you also need some oil here. So let's get started. First, let's heat the pan up. I'm going to put it somewhere around medium and high. And then here's a trick. You can get a drip of water on your finger and then put it on. That fizzled pretty good quickly. And then if it's anything like that, it must be ready. So first you put some oil. And I'm going to put a little more because I have a lot of mushrooms. And then you get your garlic. And also you need a spoon. You need to scoop the garlic off. Good, I have one. And then, ooh, it's a little messier than usual. And now, good, I can reach it. And then scoop it off into the oil. It should be done. The garlic should be done cooking when it's nice and crispy and brown. And put this here. And now I'm gonna give it a little mix. And now you dump it in. Ooh, you gotta be careful to do that part. There we go. Ooh, I think the garlic's ready. Nice and brown. Definitely loud, taking away my voice. Okay, yes. And you can have some salt and pepper if you want, but you usually don't have salt and pepper in pizza, so I'm just going to have the garlic flavor kick in. That's all. And also, if you want, you can use some garlic powder. That works fine if you don't want to squeeze all the garlic close. But if you want, but it's fresher if you squeeze some garlic garlic cloves, and I'm energetic enough, so I decided to squeeze it. And you basically wait until all the sides of the paneer are like this, and also the mushrooms are cooked, and the mushrooms are cooked. That's usually the spot when you end. And then every once in a while, you also have to kind of flip it, so then the paneer cooks. So on all sides. And I think the paneer is pretty good. I'm not sure. And I think the mushroom might be good, but I'm just going to let it stay for a little. Good. Scoop it into one of those bowls. Okay, so first you get your naan out, and then heat the pan, same as before. If it sizzles a lot, if it gets away before 3 seconds, it's good. Or you can just feel the heat, but it's easier. The water trick. And now you kind of press it on there to heat the naan. You can get your spatula ready. Oh, right, I forgot to mention that. So you need a spatula too. And also you can get a stick of butter if you want some on your naan. I like it generally. But I put it after the cheese is done so it won't affect it. So it won't affect how long it cooks. Okay, so when it's feeling nice and fluffy or it's nice and flexible like that, then you flip it over to so you can see the front, and then lower the heat about more on the low side. And now we're almost done here. First, you get a big spoon and then put some sauce on it. 1, 2, I think that might be enough. Just gotta spread it. Yep, it's definitely enough. There we go. And now that's good. And now you add your toppings. So you can add as many as you want and then eat the rest plain. So first the paneer. Guess I'll just eat the other paneer plain. Now kind of sprinkle it. Sprinkle the mushrooms. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so now that you're done with the toppings, now you add the cheese. So now I like to put a lot of cheese. You need a lot of cheese for pizza. And then I think that's it. Now you cover it up with a big lid. And then I think that's good. So then you just wait until the cheese melts. Oh, okay. So I think this is done. It's the cheese is a little unmelted, but it'll be fine. Okay, so now you basically bring it over, and if you want, you can get a pizza cutter and cut it. And I just like using a pizza cutter. You don't have to if you don't want to. Just start on that. And then I'm going to try a little bite of this. Oh yeah, that's pizza. Gonna blow a little. So good. So easy and so fast. And also, did you not realize that usual pizza uses an oven? This pizza only uses 2 pans. Actually, only 1 pan needed. just 2 pans wanted. And yet it's still so tasty and so soft. And the bottom of it is just like a pizza's crust. Which is nice. That is. Now please like and subscribe. And this is the end of the video.